Here is how to make your Pinterest profile public. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three dots in the top right and tap on settings. Now go to profile visibility option. And if your profile is private, the toggle of private profile will be turned on. And if you want to make your private profile public, simply toggle this option off and you'll be done. Your profile will be public and will be visible to everyone, which means that people will be able to see all of your posts, your boards, following and followers, and everything that you've shared on Pinterest. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.